Hello and welcome once again to Moorgate Andrology. Now today I want to tackle the big question, and that is how to get a big penis. How to get a big penis. Now I say that because really that's the question on every guy's mind when he contacts Moorgate Andrology. It's really all about size. They're looking for this increase in size, and they want usually as much as can be done. And in this video I want to talk about how you can get a big penis with penis enlargement surgery. Now, penis enlargement surgery really is the gold standard way in the United Kingdom, or indeed around the world, in terms of increasing your penis size. And we can increase both the length and the thickness of the penis at the same time. About 90% of men who come for penis enlargement surgery will have both the length and the thickness of their penis increased at the same time. Of the ones that don't, the other 9-10% will all have the girth, because they know that's really the most important part of the process for men, is to have that extra girth. But I'll talk more about that in a moment. Let's talk about how we can make your penis longer. So as men, we all have extra length to our penis that we cannot see. It's hidden. And it's hidden because we have a ligament called a suspensory ligament, which pulls the penis back. Its only function, this ligament, is to keep your penis upright when it's erect. But when this ligament is divided, then it slides the penis forward and reveals this hidden length that you have. Now, the results of this maneuver are very predictable, because we know if we do this maneuver, we can increase your flaccid length between 1 to 2 inches more. We know that 95% of men will achieve an extra 1 to 2 inches more length to their penis in the flaccid state. Now, 1 to 2 inches more on a typical penis size makes a big difference. This is very noticeable on the flaccid length of your penis. So if you're concerned that perhaps you're playing football, or you're training at the gym and you've got that changing room, you're a bit embarrassed about changing with other men, then this is when you want your penis to look its real best. And this extra 1 to 2 inches in length does make a real difference. Now, it's important to note at this juncture that this extra length does not increase the erect length. Surgery doesn't increase the erect length. That comes later with a device, an extender device that we give you around 6 weeks after the surgery has been done. And if you use this daily for about 2 to 3 hours over the course of the following year, this can add up to another inch on the erect length. So surgery increases the flaccid length, the device increases the erect length down the line after the operation. Now, let's talk about the girth. So we can increase the thickness of your penis at the same time as the length. And the big advantage of having what will be a fat transfer to the girth is twofold. Firstly, it increases your penis thickness when your penis is flaccid and when your penis is erect. And also, the fat transfer is a permanent procedure. So, when compared to other maneuvers such as temporary skin fillers, dermal fillers to the penis, fat transfer is much more cost effective over the medium to long term. But anyway, how do we do it? Well, we perform a small liposuction on your stomach to remove some fat. And then this fat is put through a purification process to take unwanted material out of the fat, such as blood and oils and other debris. And then the fat that remains is then injected underneath the skin of the penis to thicken it. And this will thicken it, as I said, flaccid and erect, between 1 to 2 inches more. 1 to 2 inches more. Now, it might not sound a lot, but in terms of volume, it makes a big difference. So when we do the fat transfer, you'll find over the following 6 to 8 weeks that about 30% of this fat will disappear, will dissolve. This is a normal process. We know this is going to happen. But the fat that remains will remain, provided that you don't lose a significant amount of weight. You know, we're talking 20, 30 kilos of weight. Then you will always have the fat that we transplanted. So length and girth surgery is a permanent procedure, a permanent way to increase your penis girth. Now, when the surgery is done, at first the penis will look a bit awkward because you're going to have this extra fat which is yet to dissolve. You'll have some bruising, you have a little bit of swelling. So it does take about 6 to 8 weeks for things to settle down completely. So, you know, your new penis will not be revealed, if you like, until about 6 weeks later. But it looks really good when everything is settled down. You've got that extra length, you've got that extra girth, flaccid and erect. Now, one other thing I should mention is that for most patients, one penis enlargement is more than enough. And it's fair to say that at most patients at Moorgate Andrology, we only ever see them once. They come, they have the surgery done, and they get on with the rest of their lives. However, some patients like to come back and have a second fat transfer because they're looking for what I call super girth. You know, they're looking for a penis which is really, really thick. And that's possible around 3 to 6 months later. If you want a lot more girth, a second fat transfer can be done. So that's how penis enlargement surgery works, and that is how you can get a big penis. If you're interested in finding out more about penis enlargement surgery, then please do get in touch with us here at Moorgate Andrology. You can find more information on our website at www.moorgateandrology.co.uk. And also, you might like to take a look on our YouTube channel and find a film, a BBC film called The Penis Extension Clinic. That was a documentary that was filmed, it must be nearly 5 years ago now, all about the work of Moorgate Andrology. And this does follow the journey of 2 of our patients who had the surgery done, including one patient who did, in fact, have that second fat transfer. So that's the Penis Extension Clinic. If you put in that in the Moorgate YouTube channel, you'll find that film. And I think you'll find that very interesting if you're looking to have penis enlargement surgery. Well, that's all from me today. I look forward to seeing you back here at Moorgate very soon. But until then, bye for now.